Hi there and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you guys how to create a new page on our JM Creatrix template. So the page that I'm going to use as a demo, you can see here I've got my PSD file open, so I've got everything laid out as I want it to appear on the page once I'm ready to build it. So that's the PSD file, and on the left hand side here I've got the page that's already built in the template that you guys can already edit and use, but I'm going to recreate this page, so I'm going to show you how to recreate this page. So at the moment this page is on the drop down menu on home, and it's called Home Creative 1. So I'm going to create a new page, and I'm going to call this Home Creative Demo. So if we go into the back end of the website and we start from the beginning, so we're on here now, so I want to go to the menus and main menu manager. So get in there and you see we've got our menu structure here. So we've got Home Creative 1 there. Now I'm going to click into Home Creative 1. This is just a quicker and easier way to manage it, but with all the Joomla Man templates, we don't actually publish articles on the home page of the template. We always use the Joomla option for featured articles, and then we don't actually publish any articles on that page. So for what I'm going to do here for this demo is home hyphen, and we're just going to call this demo. So we'll get rid of the alias. So we've got that there, and I'm going to go save as copy. So it's not actually overwriting what I've opened, it's saving it as a copy. So if I go to the front end of the website now and then just refresh this page, you'll see here now that we've got home demo. So we've got our new page. So if I click on that, and we'll just get the header and the footer of the template. So we've got a blank page here to start working with. So we need to start building this page up and getting the module positions. So the way to do this, and this is the main reason for the demo, is I'm going to show you guys how to use Helix in the template manager. So if I go to extensions template manager, and then here you can see that I've already got the JM Creatrix Creative 1 from the demo of the template, but I'm going to create a new one. And to create the new one, I'm going to use the original default template. So if I click into that there, JM Creatrix default, and then in here we've got our default layout. So if I click on the layout tab, you can see here all the default module positions and sections that we have for this template. There's plenty for you to go out of there, so it's gives you plenty of scope for your designs. But again, for this demo, I'm going to set JM Creatrix -demo, so that I'm going to rename that, and I'm going to save it as a copy. So I've got another version of the default template now, but it's actually called JM Creatrix Demo. So if I close that, just to show you what it's done here, we've got the default template there, which is the one I opened, but I saved it as a copy, and we've got JM Creatrix Demo. So what I'll do is I click back into here now, and then I go into the layout tab. So this is we're only going to edit this individual template at this point. So we've got the positions that we want on here. So I'm actually going to delete the ones that I don't actually need for this demo purpose in here. So let's just take a look at this here. So we don't need, well, we're actually going to change that, aren't we? So if we look here, we've got the slideshow, which is the feature area. So we don't need the breadcrumbs. So if I get rid of that, we just delete that row. We don't need the breadcrumbs. We need the header with the logo and the menu. The cart and the social, we'll leave that there just so it keeps everything as we want it to appear up here with the widths of everything and the spans. The message, we're going to use that. The recent, I don't actually think we use that on that page, but I'm just going to keep them for now because we're actually going to move things around. So you can see there how easily I remove things. So if you want to remove a section, you click the X button here, and then as we get through this demo, you're going to see what these buttons do here about creating new module positions and naming them and actually moving the modules around. So at this point in time, so I'm just going to save and close that now. Now at the moment, our menu item, so if we go back to menus, main menu, if we go back to the new menu item that we've created, home-demo, if we click on that, we need to tell this menu item to use the new template layout that we're going to use. So over here we've got the targets, where are we now? Template style. So we actually want to select JM Creatrix Demo, so that's going to use the new layout that we create from that template version. So if I just save and close that now, So we've got everything set now with this page. So home demo, the breadcrumbs will actually disappear now because we removed that, didn't we? So that's disappeared now. You can see that's gone. So we've got the menu, which is what we need here. The next thing we want is the slideshow. So I'm going to, now I've got all these graphics that are on here. I've already got these created. I've created these as part of building this template for you. So it's going to be a lot quicker for me to build this now. But as again, I always advise people to create their page in a graphics program if they can first, just to see what it looks like and make sure they're happy with it before they actually build it. So I'm going to go right ahead here and I'm going to get this slideshow. So if I go to extensions module manager, and let's just set this to all, and then I know that this position here is called the feature position. So if I look here, so we look at our positions column and we've got the different modules that are in the feature position. So you can see here we've got front page slider creative 1, front page slider for the shop, which is part of this template. So I'm actually just going to click on front page slider creative 1, and I'm actually just going to change that to demo. So we're just keeping a naming convention here. I'm going to go to the menu assignment down here, and we're going to tell it that we don't want it to appear on home creative 1, we want it to appear on home demo. So we just tick that there and save that as a copy. So we've got a copy of that and it's been published in our new module position. So if I go back to the front end of the website, refresh that there, we've got the slideshow now appearing in the feature position. Now, for a tutorial on how to use the slideshow, we are going to be releasing one of these soon, but if you head on over to Unite Revolution Slideshow, they've got some tutorials on how to do that there, and the component is very easy to use as well. So moving forward, the next thing that I need to create is these 4 icon positions here and show you guys how to pull in these icons here from Font Awesome, which is a pre-configured library of fonts that uses icons. So if I go into the back end of the website, and again we want to go to template manager because we need to create these module positions here. So if I go into JM Creatrix demo, this is our template that we're going to edit. Click on layout. Now you'll see here that's the feature position, so that's just where we've published the slideshow in the feature position. So the next position that we need is these icons here, and this is called FP icon. So if I click on the arrows here, on this little arrow icon, drag it up here, and this is the FP icon. So this has put it on the actual slideshow now. So we've just moved that up there, and you can see here within the FP icon section, we've got a module called FP icon 1, FP icon 2, FP icon 3, and FP news. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just save where we're up to now because we need to create some new module positions and name them. So if I just save and close this now, and then go to the extensions and the module manager. So if we look for FP icon, these are the positions here, FP icon 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the one that we want here is online shop ready. So again, it's already created because I did that as part of the demo. So if I click on online shop ready, you'll see here that we have the title, which is here, online shop ready. So that's this area here, online shop ready. We then have the content, start selling online with JM Creatrix using Hypershop. So we've got that there. Just get rid of that. And then the view details is just a hyperlink with, again, created in the text editor in the module. So we've got that there. Now the question you're going to ask is, how do we get this icon here? So this icon is pre-configured as part of the CSS style, but to change the icon, if you click on the advanced options tab here, you'll see this in the curly brackets here, you'll see this module class that we've got here. So I'm going to leave that for now, and then I'll show you what to do, how to change that and where to get all your reference from for that later. But what I want to do at this point is I want to change the name of this position. So I'm going to call this FP icon, and then we'll call it hyphen demo. Well, demo 1, yeah, so FP icon hyphen demo 1. So if I save as a copy, because we don't want to lose the one that we had, so save that as a copy. So it's called that copy there, so we'll just get rid of that, close that. Because what I'm going to do now is if I go back to the template manager, go back to JM Creatrix demo, back to the layout. So we're back on our template that we're editing here. So these positions here, so you can see here the FP News one is way too wide, so we need to change that. So with Bootstrap you have a 12 column grid, so we're going to have 4 module positions, so 4 divided by 3, 4 into 12 goes 3, so we're going to span that by 3. So if we go span 3 on there, apply that, change that to span 3, apply that. We're going to click the gear icon there, change that to span 3 and apply that, and then click that there, change that to span 3 and apply that. So you can see now we've got 4 equal module positions in the FP icon section. So because now we need to change the name of this module position, if I click the little gear icon within here again, you'll see here with all the different options that we've got position. So this is the position that the module is going to be published in. If I click on that drop down there, you'll see now, if I can find this here, FP icon demo is what we're looking for. Have I completely missed that there? Oh, here we go. I know why that is. If I just close that, I'm just going to save that. Save and close that. The reason that that module position isn't visible in that drop down menu is because the module is unpublished. You can see here it's unpublished, and the name, the position that we've created there, it hasn't written it to the system yet, so we just need to publish that module. So that module's published. Back to the template manager, JM Creatrix demo. Just wait for that to load. Get on the layout tab, and then we go into FP icon 1. So we go here, and now you'll see we've got FP icon demo 1. So we select that, apply that, and now we're going to save that. We'll just save that there for now. And then if I go to the front end of the website, and then we refresh that page, we're going to get this little, oh no we're not, I'll find out why that's happened there. So let me just lay out FP icon demo 1. So let me just go back to that module. I must have got the module position wrong there for some reason. FP icon demo. That's what I did. I forgot to assign the module on the menu item. So if we just go back here, so I'm going back to the menu assignments, home demo, save and close that now. So now if we go back and refresh that page, that'll appear on our page. So we've got that one module there with the icon on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish these other 4 modules, these other 3 modules now, and then I'll show you how to change these icons in the icon area. So if we go to the back end of the website again, and what I'm going to do is FP, pardon me, FP icon 2. Now this is shortcodes, so we know that this is called shortcodes. So FP icon 2, so if I open this module here, and again the title is there, the content within the editor is there, and then the code is here ready for the icon, which I'm going to show you how to change soon. But I'm going to change this module position here to FP icon -demo 2. So I'll do that. Now we need to change the menu assignment, so we're going to just publish it on the home demo page, save as a copy. So we'll just close that there, just delete the word copy again, and then save and close that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish this here just to run over what we've just done, just to show you a different way around it. So JM Creatrix demo, I'm going to the template again, go to the layout tab. So at the moment we've got FP icon 2, so we need to change that to the position that we've just created. And you can see again, I've forgotten to publish the module, so I'm going to have to go back to the module manager. Because I saved it as a copy, it defaults by unpublishing it, so I just need to publish that. Extensions, template manager, into the JM Creatrix demo, onto the layout tab, and then we're going to change that to FP icon demo 2. Within this drop down, so if I just apply that now, so you can see here that I want to have another module position called FP icon demo 3, FP icon demo 4. If I click on there now, that those positions aren't available. The only reason those positions aren't available is because we need to create the position in the module and make sure the module is published. So if I save and close that now, and then we go back to the front end, refresh this, and we'll get two icons on here now. So we've got the online shop and the shortcode. So what I'm going to do is back to the module manager, and I'll create both of the modules now I'm in this area, so just make it a bit quicker. So the Canina forum is the next one that we want. So if we click on that one, and we're going to create FP icon demo 3, that's the module position we're going to create, and I'm going to save that as a copy. And I actually need to just remember to do the menu assignment again, and I'm going to delete the word copy, save and close that. And then for FP icon 4 video gallery, which is what we've got here, is I'm going to open that one, and then that's going to be hyphen demo 4, and that will be only on the home demo page. So save as a copy again, and just remove the word copy. So I'll save and close that one. So we're back to the module. So now we need to go to the template manager now and assign those new module positions to the template. So if we go to the layout, and we're in here now, so you can see FP icon 3, we need to change that to I've done it again. It's one of those things I seem to always forget. So I need to publish the modules. So it's all well and good me showing you how to do it, but I need to remember to do this myself. So I'm just highlighting those two there and publishing those modules, and now those positions will be written so we can see them in the template. So back to the template manager, JM Creatrix demo layouts, and then we go over here and we've got the different positions. FP icon demo 3, apply that, and then we've got this one here, FP icon demo 4, apply that. We'll save that, just let that save, and then if we refresh the home page, you'll see now that we've got the 4 icons on the home page. Now it seems we've got a bit of an issue with that one there, so let's move on over to that one. So we've got a video gallery, so it's obviously not picking up this icon here. So if I go and close, and it's probably a good way for me to show you how to fix this and look at how we actually do this. So video gallery, oops, I'm in the wrong one there, sorry, that's the wrong one, because that's FP icon 4 and we want to be on the demo one. So video gallery. So the way that we change these icons here is in the advanced options. So you can see here we've got it starts with FA-video-camera. Now where you get these from is if we go to Google and just type in font awesome cheat sheet. So this is how I reference these icons. So if I click on that link there, we get a full screen of all the different icons available for you on this template, and we can choose any of these in here really. So let's choose a different video icon. Let's see if we can just have a quick look here and see if I can quickly see one. Let's try this one. So we've got FAI. Let's just say that. So all I do is highlight the letters FA-I, copy that, and then I'm going to go here and I'm just going to replace the text within the curly bracket, because that is what pulls in the font. So if I save that there, and then we go back to the home page, we should hopefully get the eye icon where the word video gallery is. I'll just try and refresh my page again there. Yeah, and we can see there that I haven't got it, and I've just realized why I haven't got that there. So what we need to do is go back to extensions template manager. So in here, JM Creatrix demo. So if we click in here and then we go to the layout tab, you'll see here that because this was a different module to start with, was this, so FP icon demo 4, and there's different settings that I haven't changed in here. So if I go to FP icon demo 3, you'll see here that we have a style of JMXHTML icon top. So I actually need to change that there. So you can see the style is the wrong one, so it's JMXHTML icon top, and that's the script that helps pull those icons in. So if I now save that, hopefully if I refresh the home page, I will end up with the eye icon in this position here, and you can see I've got that now. So again, I'll run through this quickly for this. Let's change the forum icon here. So again, we'll close the template manager now, and we're going to go to extensions, module manager. We want the position FP icon demo 3 because that's what controls this here. So if we click on that one there, and then the advanced options drop down here, and we can change. So if we go to the Font Awesome cheat sheet again, and we're changing the forum, so let's try and find a quick forum icon. Let's just use these cogs, so FA cogs. So we just copy that text there, go here, and in the curly brackets, just change that there. We've got a space there, so just delete that there, save that, and then if we refresh this home page, you'll see there we've got the cog icon. So you can see how easy it is to create and alter these icons here. So we're getting there with the page now. So the next thing is I want this message here, which is actually called the message section. So if I close my module here, go to the extensions and the template manager just to show you this, JM Creatrix demo. And then I am actually go to the layout tab, and we'll see here we've got the icons. So the message section is already in the position that we want it to be. So I can close that. And then if we go to extensions, module manager. So again, I've already got this module created from the demo. So if I just find front page message, so you can see here we name everything the same in the back end as it is in the front end. So a creative company with an eye for detail. So if I just click on that there, and I want to publish that in on the home demo page, and I'm just going to save that as a copy. You can see there it's unpublished it, so I just need to republish it, and I'm going to remove the word copy, close that, and then refresh the page, and you'll see the message appear now. And the page refreshes. Let's give that another click. So there you can see the message has now appeared underneath the icons. And just quickly to show you how easy it is to move things around. So if I go back to the template manager and we click on JM Creatrix demo, on the layout tab, if we wanted to put that message above the icons, we just simply drag it there, save that, and then here we just refresh the page, and there you'll see now the message is underneath the slideshow and not below the icon. So I'm just going to move that back for the purposes of this tutorial. So message wants to go underneath the icons, so we'll save that. So just refresh the page, and then we're in the right position for everything here. So the next thing that we need to do is create these three module positions here. So let me just find where I'm at here. So the positions that we're going to use for this now is called FP News. So you can see here from the default template we've got FP News 1, FP News 1 IMG. Well, I'm going to create some new modules again for this, and we're going to respan this out. So I'm just going to drag this up here as well so it's underneath the message. So the first thing we need to do is click the gear icon there, and we're actually just going to change this to span 4 because there's only 3 positions. Apply that. I think this is probably already, oh no, there we go, we need to change that to span 4 as well. Apply that, and then we need to create a new position here. So how do we create a new position? We just click the column icon here within the section. So we've got that there, and it's already put it to span 4 because it knows how to fit it in there. So we'll just close that for the moment. So if we save that now, just save it and keep in the template there. So back to the layout tab. So what I want to do is I want to rename these module positions so it's front page news demo 1. So but at the moment if I click on there, we obviously haven't got those to choose from in the module positions. So I'm just going to close that, and then we're going to go into the module manager. So we've got the module manager there, so we want to click it. So it's FP News. So I know that these modules are already created because from the demo. So we've got here, I just need to find the right ones myself here. So we've got FP News 1 image, and we've got the online shop Reddit for your business. I think I'm actually looking at the wrong ones there. So you can see here that we've got the Creative Thinkers one in the FP News 1 position. FP News 2, we've got the Crafted with Love, which is here, that's that. And then in the third position, Delivered with Care, we've got the FP News 3. So I'm going to open up the Creative Thinkers one first as a module. And I'm going to change this name here. So it's FP News-Demo 1. And then we want to change the menu assignment, so I'm just going to change that there and then save that as a copy. And the same again, remove the word copy and publish. Remember to publish it this time, so save and close that one. So then we want FP News 2, which is the Crafted with Love. So if I open up that module, and then this is going to be Demo 2. And again, we just need to change the menu assignment, save that as a copy, and then publish it and remove the word copy, save and close. And then FP News 3, which is here, Delivered with Care. So again, this is going to be -demo, and we want to change the menu assignment, and we just want to save that as a copy, and then remove the word copy and publish that. So if I close that now, so again, if I go to the home page, refresh that page, they're not going to appear yet because we haven't assigned these positions to the template that we're using. So extensions template manager, JM Creatrix demo, on the layout tab, and then we get to the positions that we want here. So FP News 1, so we just click on there, change this to FP News Demo 1. You can see that's created there, and that's in the drop down now because we've created it. And look at this style here, SPXHTML. If we apply that, the reason I'm saying look at that is because this new one that we created here will not have that. So FP News Demo 2, style here again, that needs to be SPXHTML. So apply that, and then the same here, the position needs to be FP News Demo 3, SPXHTML, and apply that. Now if we save that, and then go to the front end and refresh, you'll see now that we have 3 new modules that have appeared. They're exactly the same as our template here. So we've got those in position now. So the next thing that we're looking for is the 2 modules below that. So if I get here, now I know that these modules are published in the Our Services section. So we have an Our Services section already pre-built here, so we've got that there. So I'm going to drag that up here under the FP News, so we've got the Our Services. Then I'm going to set the Our Services module position. I'm going to change this to span 3, so that it's only using 3 columns of the template. Apply that, and then the Our Skills, I'm going to set that to span 9. So it uses the rest, and we apply that. So that's the Our Services in position there. So if I go save and close this now, and then go to the module manager, and then if we go to the original Our Services positions, if I can just find these here, Our Services, where are we? So we've got the Our Services and Our Skills here. So the Our Services, Creative 1 Client's Image, so I know that's this one here. So if I open this module, I'm going to leave it as that position because I don't need to change it because it's already set as that. I'm actually just going to publish it on that page as well. So we'll save and close that. And then the same for the online shot ready. So it's in the Our Services, Our Skills one. So if we go here and go for the online shop ready for your business, that's there. So we click on that one, and again, I don't need to change the module position. If I just assign it to that page, save and close that. Now if I refresh this page, these two modules will now appear, and you can see I've got that wrong there. We need to change that slightly so because that image is too small, so I need to go back to the template manager, JM Creatrix demo, onto the layout tab, and we actually just need to change the widths of the spans. So if I click on that now, change that to span 8, apply that, and then change that to span 4, apply that, and then save that, and refresh the page, and now that'll be exactly as we're looking for on our design. So you can see now that's perfect. So the next thing, so we can see the page gradually taking shape here. So the next thing that I want to do is the Parallax module. So you can see that here. If I better show you on the actual template. So if I just load another tab here, let that load, and then if I go to the Home Creative 1 page, which is the page we are creating here, you'll see as we scroll down, you've got this parallax module here. Now the parallax means that the top layer moves faster than the background image. So I'm going to show you how to create that now. So if I go back to, and close that tab, if I go back to our demo here, so we've got the position waiting to be used. So within the layout of this template, we already have a section called Parallax. So here we go, FP Parallax. So I'm just going to move that underneath the our services and our skills, which is the one we've just done, and just save that. And then again, because this is I'm using content that I've already created here, I'm going to go to the module manager, and then if we look for the Parallax module position, so creative 1 page Parallax, so if I click on that module, now the Parallax module itself, there will be another video tutorial coming soon and show you how to set up and configure this, but just a quick overview of this is your background image, which is the picture of the sunglasses. You select that there, and you just browse to your directory and change that image as you please, you know, it fits in with your design. And then this content box here is a full HTML box, so you just need to get the image path and put the HTML into here to put an image on top. I mean, I will just show you quickly here. If I put a H3 here, H3, this is a H3 heading, and then we'll just close that off. So I've put some text in there, so it's a full HTML editor is that there. So I'll save that as a copy because I don't want to overwrite the one that I've got on the other page. So I'm just going to change the menu assignment to the demo one, remove the word copy and publish it. So if I save that now, and then we refresh that page, the parallax should appear, and there you can see the parallax has appeared, and there you can see the text that I created on the parallax. You can see that's fitting in there. But if again, if I'll show you this in another tutorial, but if you want to edit some of the settings on this, so you've got padding at the top and bottom, you can put a font color in there. I'm just going to get rid of that, and then the actual parallax options. So the background image, yes. Do we want to repeat the background? No. Background cover means that the background image will resize with the browser window, and then the background ratio, that's how fast does the foreground image move compared to the background image. So you can play around with that and you'll get different speeds of scrolling on there. So if I just save and close that now, refresh that page, we've actually got our parallax section there now. So this page is pretty much done now. All we need to do is create this section here. So I know that to create this section down here is the section called FP Teams, so front page teams. So if I go to the back end of our website, back to template manager, it's Creatrix demo, which is our template, onto the layout tab. So if I look for the section FP Teams, I just passed it there, FP Team, sorry, there we go. So I'm just going to drag that up, so it's underneath the parallax. So we've got that there, and it is, even though we've got 4 columns here, it is actually one section, because I've actually used the shortcode to create the columns. Shortcodes will be explained in another video tutorial, but if I just save and close that now, because I don't think we're going to need to come back to this section. So extensions, module manager. So if I look for this title here, the power to deliver, so if I just do the power, so you can see here the power to deliver your project needs is already published in FP Teams. If I click on that there now, and the shortcodes are all on the actual shortcodes page, so you can see all these here, and we've actually used the column shortcode, so you'll be able to see that in another tutorial. But I just want to publish this module now on that page, so if I click that and then save and close that, refresh the page, and there we've built a page in probably under 20 minutes. We've got a page built together. I know it's a little quicker because I've got the graphics and the text already created, but that's how quick and easy it is to move modules around and start building the pages for your website. So again, there will be video tutorials on how to use the shortcodes with the columns and the accordions, the parallax. So keep checking back and keep using Joomla templates and publishing your projects on the web. Thank you very much.